This is just another day for a city. But every brush we are throwing led to a grave problem for our planet.
Every Indian family has 4 members. If you consider in this way, then every year we are using around 15 to 20 toothbrush for each family, and the whole population, if you consider, then every month only in India we are throwing around 15 to 20 crore of toothbrush every month, which leads to 5 crore kilogram of plastic waste every year. And this is not from today or last year, it is generated since last 1938.
With a great vision of having plastic-free world, Mr. Yogesh Shinde has taken small initiative, which now has become one of the most impactful companies in the world. Bamboo India. Bamboo India is been manufacturing and selling eco-friendly bamboo toothbrushes since 2016. Apart from toothbrush, Bamboo India also manufactures variety of products that helps to replace plastic from our daily lives successfully. Till 2019, company had saved 12,226 kg of a plastic waste, has more than 33,000 satisfied customers.
Myself Chirag Bhanudas Wanzare, being an mechanical engineer and associated with Volkswagen and Mercedes-Benz for last 12 to 13 years. Bamboo India, the concept of Bamboo India for brushing plastic pollution away pulled me here. Last 1.5 years I am associated with Bamboo India as plant head. I am responsible for all the activities here, and basic focus of our company is on quality.
Company is blooming with the growth rate of bamboo and now has successfully marked their presence in 18 countries. As the company grows taller, its roots are becoming stronger. More than 1,800 farmers are happily associated with this initiative.
माझं नाव दत्तात्रय घोलप. मी भोरमध्येच राहतो आणि माझा प्रमुख व्यवसाय शेतीच आहे. तर मी फायनान्समध्ये 4 वर्ष काम केलं. नंतर मला जे बांबूपासून एक आयडिया भेटली आणि मी आता शहरामधलं काम बंद केलं आणि गावामध्ये शिफ्ट झालो. आता बांबूपासून जे मला काम भेटले त्याच्यामध्ये मी भरपूर खुश आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये करिअर पण खूप आहे.
India is the second largest bamboo growing country in the world with about 125 species. But it contributes to only 4% of the global bamboo product market share. It is the world's fastest growing grass, requires scant attention and no pesticides while growing.
जवळपास 1800 नॉन प्रॉडक्ट आपल्याला बांबूमध्ये अख्ख्या जगभर पाहायला मिळतात. तुम्ही जे जे गोष्टी प्लास्टिकमध्ये बनवू शकता त्या तुम्ही सेम बांबूमध्ये बनवू शकता, त्याच क्वालिटीच्या आणि सस्टेनेबल. जे तुम्हाला त्यातून जरी उद्या तुम्ही टाकून दिल्या तरी त्यातून प्रदूषण होणार नाही. स्थानिकांना भरपूर रोजगाराच्या संधी उपलब्ध होतील. एक नवीन दालन उघडलं जाईल आणि याचा खूप मोठा पॉझिटिव्ह इम्पॅक्ट ह्या पूर्ण वसुंधरेवरती होईल.
Let's do our bit. Let the planet smile brighter and healthier with Bamboo India.